Welcome to the deep sea, where the most bizarre and fascinating creatures lurk in the darkness. Today, we're diving into the depths to discover 29 mind-blowing deep-sea creatures, many of which you won't believe exist. Prepare to be astounded by the ingenuity of evolution. Our first encounter is with a creature of remarkable cunning and adaptability, the mimic octopus. Watch closely as it transforms itself, mimicking the venomous spines of a lionfish, the flat profile of a flounder, or the sinuous movements of a sea snake. Its intelligence and adaptability make it a true marvel of the deep. Descending further into the abyssal plains, we encounter the charming Dumbo octopus. Its gelatinous body, almost translucent, drifts gracefully through the water, its ears flapping gently to propel it through the darkness. Prepare yourselves, for we are about to encounter a creature straight out of prehistory. This is the goblin shark, a rarely seen denizen of the deep, sometimes called a living fossil. When prey approaches, the goblin shark's jaw shoots forward with lightning speed, snapping up its meal with incredible force. We now journey to the temperate waters of Australia, where we encounter a creature of ethereal beauty, the leafy sea dragon. Watch as it drifts effortlessly through the kelp forests, a living, breathing piece of the ocean's artistry. Our journey takes us deeper still, into the oxygen minimum zone, a challenging environment where few creatures can survive. Here, in this near darkness, we encounter the enigmatic vampire squid. When threatened, the vampire squid can invert its webbed arms over its body, transforming itself into a spiky, bioluminescent sphere. Our next stop is a world of extremes, the hydrothermal vents, where superheated water spews from the ocean floor. These hairs are actually colonies of bacteria, which the yeti crab cultivates for food. Don't be fooled by its size, for the sarcastic fringe head is a creature of surprising ferocity. When threatened, it opens its mouth wide, revealing an astonishingly large and brightly colored maw. Prepare to be amazed as we encounter a fish with a truly unique adaptation. The barrel-eye fish. These upward-facing eyes, sensitive to light, allow the barrel-eye fish to scan the waters above for the shadows of prey silhouetted against the faint light filtering down from the surface. We now descend to the abyssal plains, where we encounter a creature that seems almost comical in appearance, the sea pig. These unassuming creatures play a crucial role in the deep-sea ecosystem, recycling nutrients and supporting life in this extreme environment. Don't underestimate the power of a small creature, especially when it possesses the might of the pistol shrimp. By snapping its specialized claw shut with incredible speed, the pistol shrimp generates a cavitation bubble that collapses with tremendous force, producing a sound that can reach over 200 decibels. Our journey now takes us to the deep, scattering layer, a zone teeming with life where we encounter a fish with a rather intimidating appearance, the fang-toothed fish. Its large teeth are an adaptation to a life spent hunting in the deep, where food is scarce and every opportunity to catch prey must be seized. Prepare to be charmed as we visit the waters around the Galapagos Islands, home to the rather flamboyant red-lipped batfish. Its most striking feature, however, is its bright red lips, which scientists believe may serve to attract mates. Legends and myths often have roots in reality, and the oarfish is a perfect example. Sightings of oarfish, rare as they are, likely inspired tales of sea serpents, and it's easy to see why. Our next encounter takes us to the surface, where we meet a creature that seems to defy gravity, Glaucus atlanticus, also known as the blue dragon. But don't let its beauty fool you. Glaucus atlanticus is a voracious predator feeding on venomous jellyfish like the Portuguese man-o'-war. From the vastness of the ocean, we journey to the freshwater lakes of Mexico, where we encounter a creature that seems frozen in time, the axolotl. It can regrow lost limbs, its tail, even parts of its heart and brain. This remarkable ability makes the axolotl a subject of intense scientific study. Prepare to step back in time once more as we encounter a true living fossil, the frilled shark. The frilled shark's most striking feature is its mouth, which is filled with rows of needle-sharp teeth, perfectly adapted for snagging squid and fish in the dark depths it calls home. The depths of the ocean are a realm of perpetual darkness, and many creatures have evolved ingenious ways to find food. One such creature is the anglerfish, a master of deception and ambush. The female anglerfish possesses a bioluminescent lure, a dangling appendage that glows enticingly in the darkness. Our next encounter is with a creature that highlights the interconnectedness of life in the ocean, the salp. Salps are filter feeders, pumping water through their bodies and capturing microscopic plankton. These chains, often bioluminescent, create a mesmerizing underwater light show. Prepare for a close encounter with a creature that seems to have stepped out of a science fiction film, the giant isopod. The giant isopod is a scavenger, feasting on dead animals that sink to the ocean floor. Our next encounter is with a creature that belies its small size, the cookie-cutter shark. The cookie-cutter shark uses its sharp teeth and suction-like lips to latch onto larger prey such as fish, whales, and even submarines. Despite its small size, the cookie-cutter shark's bite can be surprisingly powerful, a testament to its efficient hunting strategy. Beauty can be deceiving, especially in the ocean. The box jellyfish, with its translucent cube-shaped bell and trailing tentacles, might seem delicate and graceful, but it's one of the most venomous creatures on Earth. Its tentacles are armed with millions of stinging cells or nematocysts which inject venom upon contact. We now encounter a creature of remarkable intelligence and adaptability, the giant Pacific octopus. The giant Pacific octopus is a master of camouflage, able to change its skin color and texture to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Prepare to be mesmerized by a creature that seems to defy description, Deepstaria enigmatica. Deepstaria enigmatica drifts through the water, its bell pulsating gently, resembling an ethereal, otherworldly being. Our next encounter is with a fish that seems to defy gravity, the tripod fish. These fins, resembling long, bony stilts, allow the tripod fish to remain perfectly still, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to drift within reach of its upward-pointing mouth. Prepare for a ghostly encounter as we meet the Dumbo ratfish, a cartilaginous fish related to sharks and rays. The Dumbo ratfish is a fascinating example of convergent evolution, its flattened face and large eyes adapted for hunting in the dark depths. Our journey into the abyss takes us to meet a creature with an appetite that belies its size, the gulper eel. The gulper eel's stomach is equally impressive, capable of expanding to accommodate its large meals. This glowing lure is used to attract prey in the darkness, drawing them towards the gulper eel's gaping maw. Prepare to be amazed by a creature that seems to defy the laws of physics, the pelican eel. The pelican eel's lower jaw is loosely hinged, allowing it to open its mouth wide enough to swallow prey larger than itself. Our final deep-sea encounter is with a creature that challenges our very definition of what it means to be a sponge, the harp sponge. Unlike most sponges, which are passive filter feeders, the harp sponge is an active predator. Small crustaceans, attracted to the harp sponge's bioluminescent glow, become ensnared in these hooks. Our final encounter brings us face to face with a creature that has witnessed the evolution and extinction of countless other species, the chambered nautilus. The chambered nautilus is a marvel of biological engineering. It moves through the water using jet propulsion, expelling water through a siphon to propel itself backward. And there you have it, 29 incredible deep-sea creatures that prove our oceans are full of wonders. The deep sea is a realm of endless mystery, a place where evolution has taken extraordinary twists and turns, shaping life forms that seem both alien and strangely familiar. Until next time, keep exploring,